ZANU-PF dictatorship will eventually collapse, Job Sikala. Oppressed Zimbabweans will rise and reclaim their country, says former MP. By Ralph Chagura, the 15th of August 2025. Former Zengeza West legislator Job Sikala has declared that Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF military junta will one day be removed by the people it oppresses. Speaking to the Citizens' Voice Network, Sikala drew parallels with the 1992 collapse of the Soviet Union, stressing that no form of tyranny is permanent when confronted by a determined population. Even in Russia in 1992, the Soviet Union, the most powerful nuclear force in the world, fell when the people decided enough was enough. Sikala said, ZANU-PF understands this. That's why President Emerson Mnangagwa does not allow people to gather, even in small numbers, to organize themselves. They know the power of any government rests in the masses. The outspoken opposition figure, who has been repeatedly arrested over the years, accused the Mnangagwa administration of using repressive measures to prevent citizens from mobilizing against the state. Sikala maintained that popular resistance is the most potent weapon against entrenched regimes. There is no power that can overtake the power of the masses. He said, one day, the lying lions of Zimbabwe shall rise and reclaim their country from those who think they have the right to own it. Book launch violence. Sikala also condemned the recent disruption of his book launch in Masvingo, where youths allegedly linked to ZANU-PF stormed the event. Witnesses said the group, some reportedly intoxicated, assaulted speakers, destroyed or confiscated copies of the book, and demanded an end to discussions about politics and Mnangagwa. The book, Footprints in the Chains by Munyaradzi Angelo Savanhu, details Sikala's years of political activism, including arrests, torture, and repeated detentions. Sikala said the matter has been reported to police,